Good afternoon from Rush Truck Center in Greeley, Colorado. It's Keith Couch with Rocky Mountain Peterbilt on YouTube, Rush Truck Center in Greeley. Got a pair of really good looking 389s for you. Both 2020s, they're sister trucks, consecutive VIN numbers. 2020 Pete 389s, 44-inch flat tops, 280-inch wheelbase. We upfitted them both with the Phoenix light kit. We'll go to the red and black one here. It's Seminole Paint. So I'm trying to make them look a little bit of old school. Absolutely love it. It's radiant red with black diamond. Or, I'm sorry, Redfire with black diamond. 14-inch drop visor. Added a couple extra lights on the top there and then cleared them all. All Phoenix lights. The front of the air breather and the back. We got a new style of LED interior light there. It's very small. I'm anxious to see what that looks like. I haven't seen that one yet. We got the oval clear Phoenix light kit. Let's light up amber. And here's the gray one, black and gray. Absolutely just love the Seminole paint. Very classy looking, especially with the black and gray. Going back up here a little bit. Both of them with the Cummins X15, 565 horse, 2050 torque, 18 speeds in both, 336 gears. And these are running on LoPro 24.5s. We did the Pete aluminum wheels. I'll take you. Small 44-inch flat top sleeper. Got a window on the other side. Plenty of storage underneath. This one's got 6 load lights and a window in the back, and it's a dark tint window with your fuel shutoff valve. Got a 110 over here, def tank. We got a 150 on the other side. We got toolboxes here, but they don't have any steps on them. The reason we did that is if you get the steps, you have to get the handles back here. We didn't want any handles. So if you want, we can put a closeout on this. We can put deck plate, whatever you want to do. We just kind of left it for whoever. With the 30-inch Hodgeville quarter fenders, Bridgestone tires, LoPros, 13.2 front, air ride axle, and 40 rears. Disc brakes all the way around. See, there's that no step on that toolbox. So those toolboxes can come off, or we can leave them on, or change them out for like some Merit saddle boxes, something like that. Which is absolutely a gorgeous truck. Platinum interiors. Take a look at the motor. And this color is absolutely beautiful. It's called Redfire Effect. There's the air ride steer axle. 15-liter Cummins X15. Turbo there. Disc brakes up front. Davco fuel filter. 382. The remote lube. Air ride, disc brakes. Take you on the inside. Obviously the sleeper on this one isn't near the size of a 78, but it just very classy, cool, old school look. Both these trucks are identical except for paint. Both are for sale. Peterbilt ultra rad seats with the fold-away armrest gives you a little more room in between the seats. windows, power locks, power mirrors, factory CB, full gauges, AM, FM, CD, and Bluetooth, 18 speed. Just a good looking truck. There's the 44-inch sleeper. Like I said, it's not a lot, but it's enough to lay down, get a good night's sleep. Don't have a whole lot of room between the back of the cab and the bed. Just kind of enough to sit on. And the seat, not the seat, but the mattress folds up so you can access all your storage underneath. So you got heat and AC back here. Dome light, speakers, got an extra light there. You got covers for the back window and a side window. And an alarm clock and power to charge your cell phone. I just thought I'd show you these beauties. Absolutely gorgeous. They're both here at Rush Truck Center in Greeley, Colorado. Both are for sale. Just got out of the shop. It's the black and gray one, and the Redfire in black. Two really good looking classic trucks. It's Keith Couch with Rocky Mountain Peterbilt, Rush Truck Center in Greeley, Colorado. 970-691-3877. Or you can email me at couchk@rushenterprises.com. Thanks for watching.